Srimati Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimad Varavara Muniye Namaha, Srimad Lokarya Mahagurave Namaha. 29th Pasuram of Tirupavai, Chittan Chirukale Vandunnai Chevittu. In this Pasuram, Andal talks about the Kainkarya Vaibhavam. So in this Pasuram, she talks about the blemishes that can occur in Kainkaryam and how she prays that she should not have those blemishes. So what can be a blemish when it comes to Kainkaryam? It is the thought that Kainkaryam is for my pleasure. When Andal says, Mattainam Kamangal Matru, she says, remove my other desires. She is not talking about desires like wealth or health or big cars or other things, job security, none of that, promotions, none of that. She is talking about, let me do Kainkaryam for you and only for your pleasure. I should not have any pleasure out of it. That is the true state of the desire of Kainkaryam that we should have. That all Kainkaryam is for his happiness. Let's delve into this Pasuram to look at the Sri Ramayana references here. So Andal says, Sitran Chirukale Vandu Unnai Chevittu. We woke up Sitran Chirukale in the early hours of dawn. You know why? If we come later than that, then we may not, then it may be too late for us. So we came so early. Vandu, it is in this word Vandu, we came. It is in this we came that our Acharyas have put together the excellent references to Sri Ramayana. We are familiar with these references because we've seen them in the previous Pasurams too. The first one is when Guha comes. When Guha comes, so Rama tells him, Padhyam Abhigamaschaiva. So he says, oh Guha, you came so far. How far did he come? He came from wherever his house was to the place where Rama was seated. How far did Rama come? He came all the way from Ayodhya. But no. Rama says, Architaschaiva hishtascha bhavata sarvata vayam padhyam abhigamaschaiva sneha sandarshanena cha. By walking with your legs and by showing your friendship and love, I have been worshipped by you. Oh Guha, I am pleased. I have been happy. That's Rama's word. Similarly, when Vibhishana comes and he calls out for the Vanaras and asks them to explain or to let Rama know that he has come already. So in that shlokam where he says that he has come, there is a beautiful reference. The shlokam is Uvachacha Mahapragnaha Svarena Mahata Mahan Sugrivam Tamsha Samprekshya Khastayeva Vibhishanaha. So that Vibhishana, who is a Mahapragnya, who is very intelligent, Buddhiman, is learned and is a good man. He stands in the air, up in the air. This is also a shlokam that we've seen many, many times in the course of this year's Tirupavai series. With a loud voice and with a voice that is melting everybody. He looks at Sugriva and the Vanaras and says something. This Uvachacha. For this word Uvachacha, our Acharyas say that he gives it out. With his voice, he pleads. He pleads that he has come. That bothers Rama. That bothers Rama because Rama feels that, oh my God, he just not had to come all the way, but he had to plead when it should have been me who should have gone to him right away. So just like how you get upset or you get he feels distressed when somebody comes to him so much, right? But we have come like that. We have come like that is what Andal says. Now, this makes Krishna distressed because he feels, oh my God, these girls, they came when I should have come. They came all the way. The term used by Acharyas here is Varavukku novu padugiravanai vaarthayalum punpaduthinan. So just how Vibhishana had to come, that itself is too much. That's a lot of effort. And he was insulted by words also. So that's how Andal and her team say, oh, we have come. When they say we have come, that makes Krishna feel sad. வந்து உன் பொற்றாமரை அடியே போற்றும் பொருள் கெழாய். And here there is another beautiful reference to Sri Ramayanam where un potramare adiye, the adiye term is taken. Adiye means to his lotus feet. Un potramare adiye potrum porul keda is Andal's words. So let's focus on the word adiye. That means just being a servant, not having anything else as the goal. And here the reference to Sri Ramayanam is from a shlokam that talks about Lakshmana. Sarvatmana paryanu niyamano yatha na saumitrir upaiti yogam niyujyamano picha yavarajye tathop yakshinchat bharatam mahatma. So after the battle is over, after they all return to Ayodhya, Rama's coronation takes place. And when that happens, now that Rama is crowned as the king, they also need a prince. And Rama wishes that Lakshmana should be the king. And he was asked to be the king. He was asked to be the prince. But Lakshmana does not agree. Lakshmana does not agree. And hence, Rama establishes or coronates Bharata as the crown prince, as the prince. Yuvaraja Pattabhishekam happens for Bharata. Here, let's focus on Lakshmana. Lakshmana is one who says, Aham sarvam karishyami. That is, he does not want anything else. He just wants to serve at all cases, at all situations, in all places, at all times. He says that, Bhavamstu saha vaidehya girisanusha ramsyate aham sarvam karishyami jagrata swapatastate. So he says, when Rama goes to the forest, I only want to serve you. So when you go with Vaidehi, you should engage in sport with her, and I will do when you're awake, when you're asleep, at all times, I will do all sorts of Kainkaryam. And that is what he exhibits here. He does not want the Yuvaraja Pattabhishekam. He does not want to be the crown prince. He just wants to be that servant who does all the Kainkaryam. That Adiye is mentioned here. Next, they talk about the relationship. Undannodu uttrome yavom. So how do they want to be that Uttrar? Uttrar means one who is related. How related do they want to be? There are several beautiful references given by this great Acharya called Alagiya Madavala Perumal Nayanar. And of those, a few are from Sri Ramayana. So let's take a look at that. The first one is, they say, Utrome avo. We want to be related to you. How? If you leave and if you go to the forest, then our life should pass away. What happens when Rama leaves? Rama leaves to the forest. Dasharatha falls ill. Sumantra comes back. And Dasharatha is holding on to his dear life in the hopes that maybe when Sumantra comes back, he would have somehow convinced Rama to come back. So he's waiting. So when Sumantra comes back and when he finds out that no, Rama has not come back, his life goes away at that point. So such a relationship we want. The next reference to Sri Ramayana here is when Lakshmana is asked to not come to the forest. At that point, Lakshmana says, "Oh Rama, if me and Sita, if we are separated from you, we will not sustain beyond one Muhurta Kalam. We will be just like how a fish that is out of water will survive only for a short period of time. That is how long we will survive. We will not survive more than that." Such relationship Andal wants. Undannodu uttrome yavom. We want to be related to you like that. Unakke namachaivam. They don't want to be serving anybody else. They want to serve him and only him. And what kind of service they want to do? Puttreval. They want to do all the intimate kainkaryam. All the intimate, not the external kainkaryams, but they want to do all the internal kainkaryams. So here the reference to Sri Ramayanam is that we don't want to be like Bharata, who was separated from Sri Rama, but we want to be like Lakshmana, who was with you at all the time, all the stage. And just like that Lakshmana, who did all the kainkaryam to you at all times, we want to be like that. Unakke namachaivam. Mattanam kamangal. Matru elor empavai. So please remove any other desires that we would have to do kainkaryams just for our pleasure. So let's also pray to the lotus feet of Krishna and to the lotus feet of Sri Rama that we should get such nishtai, such desire to be in service only for his pleasure. Andal Tiruvadigalai Sharanam.